Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out a bunch of different products from Merit Beauty. So these products are sold on Merit's website and they're also sold at Sephora. There are 7 different products I'm going to be trying out for you guys today. These products were sent to me, but I'm super excited to try them out. I've never tried anything from this brand before and everything looks so nice. So let's get right into today's video. The products were sent to me in a corduroy bucket bag, which I think is super cute. This is the packaging, super simple packaging, and it's just kind of similar for all the different products in their collection. So the first product that I'm going to try out is one that I'm kind of the most excited for, which is the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. So this is supposed to kind of be able to replace both your concealer and your foundation. So it looks like this. This is the packaging of it. Like I said, super simple packaging, and then you just pop the top off and this is what it looks like. So it kind of just looks like a cream contour stick to me. I would actually love to try this in like a darker shade to contour with, but we'll kind of see how this applies. I hope it's a good shade for me. I got the shade Dune, but they have a bunch of different shades to choose from. I'm also going to be using the brush from Merit Beauty. This is what it looks like. It looks like it's a really good size. The bristles feel super soft. It just feels like the right density to kind of blend out foundation or concealer. So I'm excited to see how that works, especially since I usually use my beauty blender to blend out foundation. So like I said, this complexion stick is supposed to be able to, you're supposed to be able to use this as concealer and foundation, so either as much or as little as you want. So I'm definitely going to be applying this under my eyes and just on any blemishes on my skin. I think this shade matches my skin pretty well. I'm just blending this out with this brush. Wow, that blends so beautifully. Oh my goodness. This is blending so well and it feels super lightweight. Obviously, I didn't apply a ton of product, but it just doesn't feel like I'm wearing like a ton of makeup on my skin. I have to say it's covering really nicely as well. I'm super impressed with that. It looks super nice. Like, look at how good that looks on the skin. I really love this. Oh my goodness. I would absolutely love to try this, like I said, in a darker shade and just use that as a contour stick. I think that would look so good. And this shade, I would say, matches my skin really well. I think I could probably get like a slightly lighter shade for under my eyes, but it's still bright enough that it's not like it's making my under eyes look dark. It just, I would say, perfectly matches. This brush really blends your makeup so nicely. It gives a really nice airbrushed finish. The coverage, I'm super impressed with the coverage. Considering that I used such a little amount of product, it covers so well. On to the next product. I'm going to be using the Merit Volumizing Pomade. So I'm kind of excited for this one too, because I typically just color my brows lightly with a brow pencil. So this is what the packaging looks like. I got the shade brown, obviously. So it's like, the wand is kind of really big considering the tube of product is much smaller, but this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to kind of start at the middle of my brows because I don't know how dark this is gonna come up. I really like that not too much product comes out on the brush at once. Like, you're not gonna get like a glob of the brow pomade to come out and like just completely mess up your brows. And the brush is the perfect size and the bristles are just like really combing through super nicely. I really like this. This would definitely give you that super like trendy feathered brow look that's really in right now. It doesn't make them feel stiff or hard or anything, but I can definitely feel like they're in place better than they would have been before. So before I move on to using any other products, I want to just apply a little bit of eyeshadow to today's look. I'm using the Morphe 9T Neutral Territory palette, and I'm just going to quickly apply some neutral shades, do a really simple eye look, and maybe add some brown liner with eyeshadow, and then I will be right back. Okay, so now that I have a super simple eye look done, the next product that I'm going to try out is the Lengthening Mascara. So I am going to apply lashes today just because that's what I do every day. But I want to first apply my mascara and kind of just see how good this product is. This is the mascara. This is what it looks like. Super sleek black packaging with gold accents. Really love that. It's in the shade Perfect Black. And this is what the wand looks like. It looks like a nice and small wand, which I really like because the bristles aren't too big, so you can get really close to the lash line. So I'm going to first start by just curling my lashes. So I'm just going to go in with this mascara. I really like that this isn't super clumpy or anything. Like, it's separating my lashes really nicely. So I like the formula. I think that it separates the lashes really nicely. It's not a super like heavy or clumpy mascara. I really like the brush, but I don't think that it really makes my lashes look super long or anything. It just doesn't do anything special for them. So I'm definitely still going to be wearing lashes today. So now my lashes are applied. Added some liner to my waterline just because that's always how I do my eye makeup. The next product that I'm going to be trying out is the Blush Balm, which is just like a cream blush color. I got the shade Beverly Hills, but they had a bunch of different options to choose from. I just thought this one, when I was looking online, looked like it would be the best shade for my skin tone. So this is the packaging. It comes like this, and you just unscrew the little top. I'm not always a huge fan of cream blushes. Sometimes I think they're super hard to blend out, so we'll see how this one applies. So I'm just gonna go straight on to the apples of my cheeks with this. Again, really lightly, because like I don't know how well it's gonna apply, and I'm just gonna blend this out with my fingers. Oh, I should have done my bronzer first. Whatever, I'll do it now. I think this is like, this blends out super nicely, which like I said, I'm really impressed because I don't typically like cream blushes. Let me apply my bronzer and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now I applied my contour. I am going to use translucent powder to clean up this contour, just because it always helps. But going back in with this blush, because now I can judge how much product's on my face. Like I said, I really would love to try out that complexion stick in a darker shade and use it as a cream contour rather than using powder contour. But I really love this blush. I'm just going to add a little bit to the tip of my nose as well because I like to add blush to my nose. So I'm just going to clean this contour up really quick using some Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I do also have a cream highlighter that is from Merit that I want to try out. So I'm not going to really apply too much setting powder to like the bridge of my nose or my cheekbones, just so that we're not applying a cream product over the powder. I think that, like, I just never like the way that that looks. To dust this off. So this is the Merit Highlighting Balm. It comes in a small tube like this. Again, the gold detailing on the lettering. And this is what it looks like. I got the shade Cava. I think that's how you say it. So I'm very excited for this. Let's kind of just see like on the back of my hand how this applies. It feels super creamy. You can see there was, I believe, one other highlighting shade to choose from. I think I chose the lighter one. So I'm just going to apply this. Again, it's another cream product. I'm kind of just going to do a line like that and then tap it out. So it feels like super creamy. It kind of feels like wet almost. So I don't know if that'll actually dry in place, but like look at that glow. Oh, I really like that. So because it's so creamy, it's really easy to blend out, which I really like. My biggest pet peeve with cream products, and the main reason why I don't always use them, is because I just think they're super hard to blend out sometimes. I haven't tried a bunch of cream products, but the ones that I have tried out just like don't impress me enough to use them every day. So I usually stick with powder, but these ones today, I'm kind of really liking them. So like, look at that. It looks so good. And like I said, it just blends out super nicely. Add some to like the brow bone. I'm gonna tap that. My ring finger. Goodness, I really like this. I'm adding some to the tip of my nose, my favorite place to highlight, down the bridge of my nose. It just looks like a nice natural glow. That's like the best thing about cream products. You get more of a natural look, but I always just can never find ones that really blend nicely. I'm gonna apply some to my Cupid's bow. I want to line the inner corners of my eyes really quick, so I'm gonna do that. So yeah, I just added some inner corner liner, and now I'm gonna go back in with this highlighting stick. I'm just gonna use my pinky finger and just add some to the inner part of my lids. So I like to highlight there. You can also just add it to your inner corners, but I have liner there. I am in love with this highlighter stick. If you couldn't tell, I'm kind of just using it everywhere at this point. This product is definitely buildable. Like, the more that I add, the brighter the highlight gets. I don't think it really dries on the skin, but it does give you that really nice, like, naturally glowy makeup look. And the last product that I have to try is the Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. Again, there were so many shades to choose from, but I chose All Naturel as my shade. This is how the packaging looks. You really see the color through the packaging, which I really like, and it's just this gold detailing, super pretty. I typically line my lips, but I'm just gonna, for the purpose of the video, see how this applies without liner. Definitely gonna add liner just because it's just my preference, but this is like a super pretty color. It looks natural, not sticky because it's a lip oil, so it also feels really hydrating on the lips. So I just added some lip liner just to add a little bit more definition to my lips, but this product will definitely give you that natural, like, faded out lip look. Just super pretty, and like I said, very hydrating. So this is the finished look. I absolutely loved these products today. I was so impressed with them. Definitely products that I actually think I'm going to start to use, like, on a daily basis. The product that I enjoyed the most was probably the Perfecting Complexion Stick. And this is definitely a product that I think I'm going to buy for myself in a darker shade, because I would definitely start to use cream products more often then. I just think that it blends so beautifully and covers so well and just doesn't feel heavy. I feel like my skin looks like I'm wearing less makeup than I typically do. Again, I really liked the cream blush and the highlighting stick as well. I use that highlighting stick everywhere. The tinted lip oil feels super nice on my lips. It just looks like a really nice glossy finish. As you guys could see when I tried it on, you can use it on its own and it adds just a nice tint to your lips, or you can top it over another lip color like I did, depending on the type of look that you're going for. If you want it to be a little bit more natural or you want your lips to look more defined. I would say, like, the mascara, if anything, would be something that I probably wouldn't get again, just because there was nothing wrong with it. I just didn't think that it did anything special, and sometimes high-end mascaras are like that. And I just typically wear lashes anyway, so mascara isn't always at the top of my list for things to buy when I'm trying to get stuff for my makeup routine. I also really liked the brow pomade. I feel like my brows are super in place and they look really nice and natural, so I really like that. I hate when my brows look too dark and heavy. I'm super impressed with these products today. I will leave a link down below for you guys to use to go to Merit Beauty, and maybe you guys will try some of these products out for yourselves. I would definitely recommend them, and I hope you guys liked today's video. Thank you so much to Merit Beauty for sending me these products and allowing me to share them with you guys. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Hit the bell button to turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I upload a new video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!